today I'm gonna be doing like a natural skin, that's not what I wanted to say. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoe Graziella, and today I'm doing a natural makeup look. It's like a no makeup look, I guess. I'm gonna be doing two parts. This is like less makeup. I'm gonna do a second part where I'm gonna do more makeup. So yeah, if you want to watch that, keep on watching. So I'm gonna start this off. Oh wait, the plant's in the way. I just noticed that. It's a dead plant too. Okay, whatever, that's the best it's gonna be. So I'm gonna be using this Beautiful Skin oil-free skin protector from number 7. This is actually my mom's, but I feel like, wait, I need a mirror. I always forget a mirror. I'll be right back. As I said, I'm gonna be using this. It's my mom's. I'm gonna be using this as like, it's just moisturizer. So I'm just gonna moisturize a little because it's getting closer to winter. And it's important to be moisturized during the winter, else you're gonna be dry and disgusting, and that's not cute. And then, okay, I'm not putting too much on because it has sunscreen in it. It has SPF 25, and I don't want to like clog my pores, but you need sunscreen even in the winter because the sun's still there. Just because you don't see it doesn't mean it's not there. And I'm sorry if this video, like if you're hearing a lot of stuff from outside. Actually, let me just turn my music off. It's probably a lot going on. If you're hearing stuff outside, because I'm right by the window, just so I can get some decent light, because the lighting in my apartment is terrible. So, yeah. I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. illuminating eye cream and put this on my under eyes. Yeah. To moisturize, because my under eyes get really, really dry during the winter. My whole face does too. So it's important to keep it nice and moisturized. And I'm gonna have all of the products linked down below in the description box if you want to use them and stuff. So now I'm just gonna do my brows. I have this Make Me My Brow from Essence. It's in, what color is this? I think this is the medium color. 02 Brownie Brows, that's what it's called. I really like this. I wanted to get the clear one, but I couldn't find it when I was at Ulta, so I got this one. And it's actually pretty good. I'm running out right now, but I still think it's really good, and I'm just gonna brush it through my brows just to keep them in place and just to make them a little thicker, because I like a thick brow personally. You don't need to put that much on them, just enough to like keep them in place or the way you want them to look, I guess. Just personal preference once again. So now I'm going to do my mascara. Yeah. So it's the Great Lash by Maybelline. This is my favorite mascara. I think it's just well loved by literally everyone. It is so good. I just love it. So I'm just gonna apply this. So there's probably gonna be, yeah, there's already a ton of mascara all over the place, but it's fine. We'll clean it up later. And honestly, if you're not wearing any eyeshadow, it's okay if you get it, you're a little messy and like all over your lid, because you can just clean it up once it dries. And doing this, like pushing it onto your lid and then like up, actually makes them longer. So sometimes I do that. So it's super messy, as you can tell, but I'm gonna move on to the other lash, let it dry, and then I'll take a wet Q-tip and just clean it up. Okay, so I've just wet like one end of a Q-tip and left the other side dry. And what I like to do is just take the wet side and wipe. And then I'll take the dry side and just go over it again to get everything off. So these are my lashes. I can't tell if you can tell if they look long, but oh yeah, you can kind of tell. So yeah, this is what my lashes look like now. I think they look pretty long, considering how short they are naturally. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do, I'm thinking about putting this concealer on. It might be too dark for me right now, just because I've kind of lost my tan and I used this during the summer. So I'm just gonna see. Yeah, I think it's gonna be too dark for my under eyes. I like to have like a natural colored under eyes that matches the rest of my face. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's way too dark right now. Cool. I'm gonna wipe that off and I'm gonna go find another concealer because that's way too dark. This is not my favorite. I don't really like AG1 that much. Because I feel like you actually have to set it, and I don't like setting my under eye. But yeah, I'm just gonna put some on. Like that. I don't think that's too much. I think that's just enough. And I don't put any bottom mascara on just because I think it doesn't look natural, like at all. I'm gonna spray this with some rose water. I already wet it, but I just want it to be a little wetter. And rose water just smells amazing, so I do not mind it. I might have put too much on for my own preference, just because I want this to be really light. I'm not gonna set it. Just because I normally wouldn't set my other one, but that one's too dark, so I'm not gonna set this either, though I probably should, but I'm not going out anywhere. You can set it if you want to. That's kind of up to you, depending on your skin type and just how you like your makeup. So I'm also blending it across my nose too. Yeah, that's good enough. It covered up, it made it a little lighter. So it did the job. Now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put some highlighter on, because you gotta highlight even in the winter. Like, you've got to be highlighted. Like, it just makes you look better. So I'm using the Essence Pure Nude Sunlight. I actually really like this. So I'm gonna do inner corner highlight and right under my brow. So I'm just gonna spray my brush. This brush is from e.l.f. I got this a long time ago. Probably when I first started doing makeup, so like 8th grade. Yeah, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner. Like that. I think that looks good. I don't know if you can see it just because the lighting is not that good. I'm so sorry. I just have terrible lighting in my apartment. I'm I'm just gonna do the other side. I'm also sorry for the messiness of my apartment. Looks really bad. Sorry. I have like my stuff everywhere in the living room, so it's kind of messy. Okay, I think that's good. You probably aren't seeing like the reflectiveness of it or like how pretty it is, just because of how bad the light is, but it's really pretty. And I'm also gonna put it under my brow. I'm still gonna use like the excess of it, and I'm just gonna put it under my brow, like a little brow bone highlight right there. Just dab it like that, and then I'll blend it out with my finger. If you have paler skin, definitely use more of like a silvery highlight or a lighter highlight. If you have darker skin, like a more bronze highlight, just depending on your skin tone and also your undertone. I still have an issue figuring out what my undertone is, because like different companies, they'll like say something is they'll like say it's like a yellow undertone, and then it'll be super orange, and like vice versa. And so I still don't know what my undertone is. If you have any idea, please tell me. That would be great. And I'm gonna put some on my cheekbones as well. Just wet this brush. This is also from e.l.f. I love e.l.f. brushes. e.l.f. is the best. Just swirl it around in my highlighter. We don't want too much too, because we don't want it to like be too blinding. Because we want this to be natural and like really pretty. So we're just gonna do that, like that, and do that on the other side too. Just like brushing it, little brush strokes. Kind of think like you're flicking like paint almost. That's what you're doing, but on your cheek. Yeah. See, like, look at how pretty that is. I think that looks so pretty. Okay, and then we're just gonna take the excess and put that on our Cupid's bow, like so. Like that, put it underneath. And now, the last step, I'm gonna take this Shea Moisture lip balm. I love this. It's like it's practically completely used, as you can see. And I'm just gonna put this on top of my lips. It is super duper moisturizing. And it just makes your lips look nice and glossy. So, ooh, I dropped something. So yeah, this is the final look. It's super natural. You know, I think it's perfect for school. If you want to do really simple makeup, or if you're like need to get somewhere on the go, like you have no time, but you know, you want to look cute. So yeah, it's really, really simple. I hope this video was like somehow helpful to you. If you liked it, subscribe. You might like my other videos. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.